What's up guys, Craig, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to install these rock lights by Mictuning. They're a 12 pod system. It's got an app. Ooh, these are nice. These look pretty bright too. I like the way these are set up. These are gonna be cool. Very nice. Got all the connectors. So this is the app right here, the Mictuning app, and you can just turn it on and you're gonna see it's not actually connected right now because I have to turn the lights on, so let me do that. So now my lights are on and you see this little thing up here turn purple, so now it's on. And so you click on it and then it'll bring up this. And then from here you can see you can change colors. You can put it on music mode. If I want to go white. The bottom is if it's going to be constant or not. And then this is the brightness. And it's pretty bright. So if this is all the way up, it's constant. And then the top is the brightness. So that is just the rock lights. And you can see it's really bright. It's pretty cool. It's like a rocket ship. But you can change different modes, and then you can add your own modes to it as well. And then if I go to mode here, see constant mode, custom mode, length, colorful watering backwards. It's pretty